Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And this recording will show the improvements that were made in handling tolerances in HSM. Let's open up one of our HSM operations, such as the one that we have over here, and go into our passes. You'll note that the area of the tolerance is now grayed out, and underneath that we actually have a slider scale. Now, if I were to click on the slider scale, note the diagram that's put at the bottom left corner. You can see exactly what happens when you change the scale on your tolerance from a looser tolerance to a tighter tolerance. You can see exactly what's going to be happening on the tolerance itself. We've also left the option of being able to open up the tolerance so you can put in your own value here as well. Now, let's go back to where we're using the actual scale itself. Note, every single time you move it, the values inside this window have been changed. You'll see every single step has been changed, and you can see exactly what's going to be happening at every single level. The same was done for our point reduction tolerance. Again, just moving along over here, you can see exactly what's going to happen. Now, we also have complete control as to what the values are going to be when we use the scale. If I were to go out of the operations and go into my SolidCAM settings and go into default tolerance, you can see that we have this section of HSM HSR with the slider scale over here. You can see we can set the slider scale as our default position wherever we want, and we can set the values here at whatever value we want. So for example, if I were to set this at 0.02, put the next one at 0.01, and make another change over here, make this at 8, make this at 6, and make this at 5. That will be the actual value that we'll see inside our HSM windows. Now, we'll also see that the position will be exactly in the middle under the 0.08 value. If I were to click on OK and start a new HSM operation, choose a tool, and go into passes, you'll see now that my tolerance is set between 0.02 and 0.005, where my default being at the middle section over here at 0.008, exactly the way I set it inside my SolidCAM settings. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.